If you are on YouTube watching a replay, don't forget to like and subscribe so you know when I'm going live next. Turn on the notifications too. Alrighty. Charles, what's good? What's good? How are we? What do we need? 5,000 minutes of views. We're getting that. We're getting that. We'll probably get another tier 3 flare tonight, but popping one. Oh, I've already got one. Popping one on a fucking. On a Sunday's kind of. Friday's kind of risky, eh? Hello, Fair King. You are blinding me again with your fairness, and I love it. Hello, how are you? Thank you for liking as well. How are we all today? Good, we're chilling. I should need to check up on someone. What's good? 600 likes already. Fucking hell. Good job, guys. Thank you. Let's get this shit popping. Is this too fucking bright? I feel like that's a bit better. It's a little bit better. Holy shit. I haven't seen you in a while, Mons. I've been made redundant. Shit. You fucking serious? That's rough. I hope everything is all good. I'm very sorry to hear that. Very, very sorry to hear that. You've had your hours cut? Fucking hell. Better start getting fucking sorted. Fucking hell. Yeah, I had to find a new job and probably take a pay cut. Fucking hell. That's fucked. Sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Never fun. What is God? I don't know. I'm not a professional in that sector. Sorry, Saturn, but how are you? Hola, no hablo inglés. I don't know what that means, but hello. Hola. But I guess I'm lucky in that I get a decent redundancy package for my long tenure. True, true, yeah. I actually didn't think about that. Probably would get a fucking fat paycheck. So we got into this, which I'm pretty happy with. I think this will hopefully play out nicely. Obviously, we had... Where's my fucking pen? We had our nice... large extension, and then bot got me in here. Bzz, all the way down. I'll probably target last week's low. Ah, fuck you. Come on. Are we out of that already? Oh, we're out. Oh. I lied. I didn't even fucking see that. We're out already. We must have got out just then. The fuck? I'll take it. Easy, easy, easy dub. Fucking hell, that was quick. See, that's what I mean. You can be in and out of these so fucking quickly. That's not even a day. That's not even 24 hours that I've been in this one. Others, though, for example, I've been in for, you know, couple of days, if not weeks. How we going here? Get rid of this shit. Damn. Should have paid attention last night. But we'll see. We could easily get back down to these lows. I might target a little bit higher, to be honest. Nah, fuck that. Yeah, fuck it. Leave it. Fuck it. When was God born? Going to put a good chunk of it into my managed investment set and forget. Nice. Sounds like a pretty good idea. Saturn, if you keep doing this shit, I'll have to mute you. What up, Sienna? How are we? You going down the coast? That's exciting. Very exciting. Yeah, true. What's everyone doing for the weekend? Welcome, Queen. You got a haircut? I did. I needed one. So, haircut complete. I got it yesterday. Where the fuck were you? Yesterday. Oh, fucking, I'm good. That's good. That's fantastic. How's your week? I think the ask me anything statement is beyond your expertise. Yeah, well, I got some rules of not talking about, like, religion and stuff. We don't usually do that in here, so, yeah, that's not really... I mean, I'm happy for, like, general stuff, but if you talk about something like religion, I try not to talk about that. Just to keep everyone happy, you know? But, yeah, doing some shit like that, it's just disrespectful, saying some shit like that. So you can... You know, you can fuck off. I don't care. I wouldn't call myself a fair king, more caramel. He actually knows a lot. Think you're wild, mate. Yeah, get him the fuck out of here. Get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Thank you, Sienna. Red card. Get him the fuck out. Sienna, good job. Yeah, what's everyone doing this weekend? Give me your plans. Besides Sienna's obviously going to the beach. Which is it? What's the weather like down there? It's fucking miserable here. It's going to be raining all weekend. Which is going to be fun because I got a friend's birthday tomorrow. I was going to do it anyways. Yeah, fun. We don't need... Yeah, he's gone. We don't need that. What do we got here? Charles 2K already, pulling weight. I don't know what language that is, but the Fair King guy. I think you just need to change your name to Fair King. And almost hit a K, and Sienna at 100. Thank you very much for the likes. It's probably, guys, going to be a fucking very slow stream because it's Friday night. Very slow. So we'll see how it goes. I might not be on for too long. People like that piss me off. Yeah. Yeah, it's just people have got nothing better to do. Like, I don't know. I've got no service. Rip. Well, thank you for tuning in anyway. I appreciate that a lot. Coming in, swinging me some likes, talking some shit. I do look super fucking pale in this light. Like, super fucking pale. Like, I swear the lower I go, the more pale I fucking look. It looks horrible. Jesus. I actually do. See you later. Have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend. No, the Fair King title goes to you. If I was to have a title, maybe Emperor. Yeah, that works. Yeah. I'm just gonna start calling you something. What pair are you trading? Pretty much all of them. But I was looking at this because I was in Euro Pound. This is Euro Pound. I was in Euro Pound, but where is it? This is US dollar CAD. I was in Euro Pound. My break-even line's still there, but we had our extension. My expert advisor / bot got me in right here. Nice pullback. Profit taken. Tick. So, yes. Nice and easy trade, that one. Out within a day. We take it. We take it. And the break-even line just stays there until we get into another trade. Alrighty, we got back into UJ. Interesting. I haven't checked all of these today, so another large extension down. Boom, we're already in profit. So we'll see how this goes, whether or not we'll get another push up. If not, we'll just keep extending down and then wait for another. Basically exactly what's happened here. We almost got it in the exact same spot and this big leg down. But we're already in, got in again, got in again. Boom, out, profit, done. Had another extension up, which I actually took profit on because I was still in this position, so I like pretty much broke even on that. So I actually would have got in that, would have been a short right here. I would have gotten in short, but I left that on by accident. But overall, this basket of positions was profitable, tick. And then we got another leg up. Just typical market structure, as you can see. Boom, 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 boom. Or might go down. We got lows down here. We got lows down here. Last week's low. We might have a little leg back down, and then that's fine. We'll just get in again back down here, and then Merca, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Yep, push down, position, straight in, already in profit. We'll see if we can get back up to this gap. See if we can gap fill. I might pull this down. Matt, what, you didn't fucking follow me? And then take profit in around about there for a nice little, how much is this? There you go, you can get some insight into how much I make on a singular trade. That's dog shit actually, 132. Do I get in and out of this, or do I push it up to last week's high? This will go up eventually. We are, you know, you look at the daily or some shit, this will be in the fucking dumps. Which is where Japan wants it to be, honestly. They want it to be down here for exporting and importing properties and for trade. But we will probably see levels at around 150 shortly. So getting back up to last week's high is not going to be very difficult. It's just dependent on how much swap fees I want to incur staying in a position, which is not really, I don't really want to stay in swap fees. So we'll see. We're in this and see what happens. Am I right or am I right? Bye, Emperor. Do you think there's any indicators worth paying for or using? Yes, lots of indicators are worth using, but they can only get you so far, you know. You need knowledge of macroeconomics. So pairing macroeconomics with indicators is the best way of going about things. Paying for indicators, no, you should not pay for indicators at all. Happy Friday. What up, Matt? How's your week? What are you up to this weekend? America, thanks again. Matt, okay, so you had to unfollow. Fuck you. Humiliation ritual, that is. Okay, I'm back. What up? I mean, if we stay at this pace of viewers, we could get a fucking pretty decent stream going, but it's Friday night and no one wants to fucking sit on live streams. Everyone's doing shit. Left trades, Forex. Trading Forex. This is UJ. You're still the N. But I'm in quite a few positions. Chill week, easy going Friday night, party tomorrow. Nice. Nice. Exactly the same as me. Exactly the same as me. Yeah, you better be joking. Yeah, I got shit on tomorrow night. I got my mate's birthday, so alcoholic consumption. I'm gonna be in the car for 3 hours, so I might as well sit on the stream. True, true. That is true. Fucking Jesus, that's a big drive at this time of night. No, it's only 6 o'clock. It feels so much later because it gets so dark so fucking early now. Yeah, keen as buck, yeah. How old are you? I know. Yeah. It might be very boring though, Sienna. I'm not gonna lie. Friday nights, we know how these go. So, chill out, relax, nothing crazy. Nothing too notable today. $11:30. I mean, that's pretty negative. It's pretty bad. So, what the fuck? Might take a look at the Aussie dollar. Daylight savings is fucking shit as. Yeah. What time frame tells the scope of what's happening and what time frame to use to enter? I use the 1 hour for my high time frame bias and then 5 minutes for entry. But my bot, so I developed a bot that you can adjust all the settings, right? So if you want to do like H4M15, daily 4 hour, weekly daily, like you can do that shit. But it's up to you really. I can go a bit more aggressive because even though this is quite conservative, you know what I mean? Like, but it's good to be able to pay attention to what's going on, around the world, during the day whilst you're in trades and stuff. So that's why. That's why bots are a scam in trade. You're 19 too? What the fuck? That's young. I didn't realize how fucking young you are. Bots are a scam in trading. How is that? Please explain. Please explain. You've never heard of expert advisors? So I've been profitable using bots for 3 years. But they're a scam? Hello? Please explain. Please explain. I love debating people and maybe shifting a mindset. W haircut, Tom. Thank you very much. Leon. Sorry, bro. Did you get your broker set up? Did you get your live account set up? Sorry, bro. I was new to all this. What's this bot for? Well, I'm gonna. Bots just scalp. That is not fucking true. That is not true at all. So I don't know. Do you know anything about trading, Peter? Like, who are you? And I'll explain this to you because you do? Okay, well, I mean, my bot does not scalp, right? It just allows me to automate my trading and not have to sit on the fucking charts picking where or not I want to buy or sell from. So you can get bots that scalp, and my bot does scalp. Like, you can set the parameters for it to use, 1 minute, 5 minute charts only and scalp the market. But that's not what I use it for. I use it for 1 hour high time frame entries on extensions of the market, and then waits for a 5-minute confirmation where it will, I'm not fucking scalping. I'm not scalping. I don't scalp. My trades, okay, what's this one? When did I get into this? Okay, so I got into this one today, this UJ today. But I'll give you an example of one of my UJ trades. I don't know if you're just here to take the fucking piss and be like annoying or not, or if you actually want to fucking learn something, but extension on the market, boom, I took a buy, TP, didn't hit it, continued to go down, that's okay. Doesn't matter, we're only risking 0.1 to 0.25% of our account. We don't need fucking 1%, 2% entries to make money. I trade 28 different pairs, at the moment about 20. Sheila, thank you very much for following me. It got us in again. We needed our take profit. We didn't get it. It continued to go down. That's okay. We only got into like 1 or 2% drawdown. Took another position. Oh, look. All the institutions that were selling the market, an imbalance in conviction between buyers and sellers makes the market go up eventually. So we went up, took profit, boom, done. Bro, what are you even talking about? I want to learn. Sure, join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. It's free. You don't need to sign up for fucking anything. And I've got a 1 hour video on just get the complete basics of getting into the markets. Thoughts on DraftKings? I don't know. I don't do that gambling shit. Same. Yeah, well, that's what I'm here for. Don't fucking listen to this guy. He obviously doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about. And I'm not completely reliant on AI to trade for you. I can do this myself. It's not fucking hard. It just means that I don't have to stare at the fucking charts, and I can adjust my TP levels, right? I'm paying attention to macroeconomics all fucking day. Yeah, okay. Scalps max 10 pips. What the fuck are you even talking about? I don't give 2 fucks about how many pips I get into. Like, what the fuck? I know quite a bit, but he obviously knows more. You into Ripple? Nah, I don't got nothing to do with Ripple. You wouldn't be this mad if you knew how to trade? Sure, yeah. Yeah, no, you're super right. I've got absolutely fucking no idea what I'm talking about. Zero clue. I thought you might have. I'm not mad. This is just like my personality. But like, I'm super happy to debate people and talk to people about whatever the fuck they want. Literally whatever the fuck they want. There is nothing that I won't discuss. But you come in here taking the piss. Okay, pips do matter, right? But let's just say pips are used as a measurement, right? So let's just say this is the thing that people get wrong with trading. And this is a controversial fucking... Bro, if you continue to talk shit, I'll just get rid of you. I don't care. Like, I literally don't give a fuck. But if you want to have some constructive conversation, like, I'm happy to have that. But if you just want to take the piss, like, I don't know why you wouldn't just leave, for starters. Secondly, like, why not just have a chat with a fellow trader to see how other people trade? I don't know why I have to be... How are you calling my system out? I've been trading this system for 3 years. Like, how are you calling my system out? What are you calling out? What are you trying to say? I'm confused, and I'm actually not mad. This is just how I fucking talk. Ask any... There are a few regulars in here. Like, I'm happy to fucking... Like, this is not me mad. Peter is an experienced trader. He is right. Okay, cool. So am I. Like, what the fuck? I don't see, like, bro, I literally do not understand. People are weird, bro. People are weird. Like, so he's probably on like some burner account fucking with 2 phones being like, no, it's an experience. Yeah, no, oh, thank you. Oh, we're fucking, like, or sharing it to his fucking friend or some shit. Yeah, I mean, you can. I don't give a fuck. Why don't you trade and show us how your system works? I do. Me defensive? Or he went on alt to defend himself. Sorry. Literally, yeah. Bro, I'm in like shitloads of fucking trades right now. And I just explained how my fucking expert advisor works. Like, do we backtest it right now? Shows your track record? No. You want me to backtest it right now? What the fuck? Oh, that's oh, dude, I shouldn't even buy it at fucking... Oh, right, that's... the standard MT4. I don't even know what settings these are. Song name, I don't know, it's just like a lo-fi, non-copyright lo-fi mix on fucking YouTube. Yeah, for real. Yeah, dude, like... There you go. For other people in here, I don't want to talk to this fucking idiot anymore. Issue resolved. Nah, he's blocked. I don't give a shit. I gotta stop doing, like, talking to people who are just fucking annoying. As I say this all the time, I'm happy to like debate people or whatever, and fucking any questions, like if they're speculative, that's okay. Like people can be speculative and be like, I don't think that will work, show me how it works, right? Or, you know, like I've never seen a system like this because my system is very different to the majority of other systems, which is why I'm profitable and the majority of people aren't. I'm happy, so happy to explain things and debate people and do all that shit, but I don't know. If you're a cunt, you can fuck off. But I gotta recognize when people are taking the piss and just trying to be a cunt, like, earlier. And everyone knows why I don't show my money, too. Everyone that fucking is, like, new, or not new here, has heard the fucking stories and everything, so, yeah. Yeah, I'm not even scrolling up. I don't know what messages from who, but I'm not even scrolling up. Flush as shit, mate. What the fuck do you mean? Flush as shit. Wait. Oh my God. How did you find me? You have a 20 gifter level? Jesus. How the fuck did you find me? True. Your models is overfitting to the data. What the fuck are you talking about? Overfitting to the data. What? Tom, someone in the chat. Ah, I know who she is. What's good, Aries? How are we? What's good? Good, good, fantastic. Friday stream, super fucking slow. Super slow. Which is okay though. There's fucking literally nobody ever comes in here on Fridays. It is what it is. We had a fucking shitload of people in here last night. I don't know if anyone was in here, but we were doing pretty well. Fan of pubes, yes, that is me. Anyway, I'm gonna do this all fucking night because this will go forever, but yeah, people that just don't see that these systems work are just, like, I'm just straight up showing you. And this is on full automatic. I'm not touching the fucking thing. So 70% of the time it's full auto, the rest of the time I will adjust. What the fuck do I know, but this other fucking random dude who apparently knows what the fuck he's talking about, and my system doesn't work, and I'm full of shit, blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, be like that. Yeah. What's going on, Bart? How are you? How much have you made from this? $1 trillion. If you actually Google my name, I'm the first trillionaire trader. What up, Jada? How are you? Welcome back. Ohio? Miss Ohio? Wait, we hit it? Ooh, do we have another flare? What's your system, mate? I use a version of it's a mean reversion strategy, and I don't use stop losses, and I martingale into my positions using a 0.1 to 0.25% risk on my initial lot size based on my account balance, and then I wait for a mean reversion. And I can be in for less than a day, I can be in for a week, I can be in for 2 months. So it's hard to say what sort of trader I am. I'm in between a day trader and a swing trader. So, yes. Fucking 4 people. What the fuck are we doing here? Guys, what are we doing? Rubbish, absolute rubbish. Well, I can't really do anything about it. It's just it's fucking Friday. I'm not shit. I'm gonna get some caffeine because I'm falling asleep with you guys. Like, come on, start telling me about your weekends or some shit. Put something in the fucking chat. More comments, more people that come in, then they engage, and then we have a good stream. Hook us up. What the fuck? HMA, welcome. Weeble. No, I do not. I don't actually know what that is. I've heard of it, but what is that? Is that a broker? platform? No, I don't. I use MT4 as my platform, and then I use Black Bull Markets as my broker. It's good, mate. What up, Cressy? How are you? How are we tonight? Let's get some good vibes going. After this fucking moron had to ruin my mood. MT4, MetaTrader 4, yeah. Meow. What do I like the most about MT4? That's a great question. The ease of use with expert advisors, which is like a trading bot if you don't know. I use like an algorithmic trading bot that I've developed through the MQL4 language, which is on MT4, and it's a lot easier than pretty much any other platform. So I can automate about 70% of my trading, which means I don't have to sit here like every other fucking person who's unprofitable, by the way. Pretty much anyone that watches fucking, that's on the internet going like this. Oh, it's broken my fucking 9 EMA. I'm gonna put my TP here. I'm gonna put my entry here. I'm gonna sell, and I'm gonna put my TP here, and then my fucking stop loss is gonna go just up here, and then, oh my god, it hit my fucking stop. I don't do that shit. That shit's fucking, that's how you don't trade, and how the internet has programmed people to trade, and it doesn't fucking work. Like, you might find a system here and there, but the minority of people that can actually sit here and like time the fucking market is so slim. You'll never time the market. How the fuck are you meant to know when a hedge fund is going to drive the price up or down? You don't. You really don't. So I have a vastly different way of trading to the majority of people. This is a somewhat known trading method, but it's very, very behind closed doors. Not many people use it, and it fucking works. Do you make trades on stream? Well, I'll just kind of explain that. I'm in trades currently, but my bot takes the trades, and then like I adjusted this TP to last week's high. It just gets me in when my conditions are met. You know, you have certain conditions. This takes away a lot of the psychological barriers that people have with trading as well. If I program my bot to trade exactly how I want it to trade, and that I know works because I've been doing this for 3 fucking years with the exact same strategy that I'm using now, I don't have to sit here and try and time the market. And if it doesn't go my way, it doesn't matter. I'll scale into my position. A lot of pension funds do this sort of shit with like index funds. So I'm in multiple positions now. I'm in heaps of fucking trades. Thank you very much, HMA, for my humiliation ritual. Chilling, do you watch the NRL? If so, who do you support? I haven't watched it. I've been so busy this year, man. I haven't watched a single fucking game. But I watched the Origin, obviously, which was fucking dog shit. But if I did watch the NRL, I'd go for the Broncos. Were you good at economics in school? No. I did virtually nothing in school. Yet look at me. I'm fucking like smarter than half fucking the majority of people that I went to school with. Thank you, Cressy, for following me. You do options trading on regular stock market? No. I trade CFDs. Love how informative you are. Thank you very much. Yeah, I try to be. I never used to be because, like, maybe... Thank you, Andreas, for humiliating me. I used to be not so informative because TikTok wouldn't let you have the charts up. So it was kind of hard to be informative when you're just talking. It's a lot better when you can, you know, be a little bit more hands-on and give explanations and show people stuff. So I have, and I've got all the knowledge in my brain, and I can be quite articulate with my knowledge, but I'll never be big on social media or anything. Never. Because I don't trade the conservative way that everyone is programmed to trade, which means that, like, why do you think the fucking statistics are there? 70 to 95% of traders in between there, the statistics change every now and again, but why do you think they aren't profitable? Because they sit there and they try and time the market and they put stop losses in, they get hit all the time because banks and institutions know where the masses put their stops and they find the liquidity there to drive the price in the opposite direction. It's just what happens. Thoughts on AMD hitting 125 by June 20 options calls? I don't trade options, and I don't trade stocks either. So I have fucking zero idea. I'm not gonna. I mean, yeah, that's one thing I'm not informative on. Is stocks. So yeah, not my forte. I apologize, Andy. This isn't probably not the stream for you, and that's okay. Should I sell my house and put the profit in the market to use as my super? Fucking, why would you do that? If you're into properties, stay in property. Like, I do say this a lot. Like, people come in here and they say, oh, I've made this much doing this. Should I get into trading? It's like, man, trading is not fucking easy. Trading full-time job? Yeah. No, I don't have a job. Negative. Yeah. There's been a few humiliations today. No screams though, which is fucking nice. The screaming was not fun. Sorry you had to deal with that last night too. I was profitable after 1.5 months. Really? That'd be a fucking record. Jesus. No. I was like, fucking hell. That's like, yeah, pretty unrealistic. Do you think the return on property would be more than the market over 20 years? I know nothing about property, so I couldn't fucking, no idea. Property goes up with inflation. Yeah, true. Yeah, sorry, Caddy. I'm not very fucking helpful with this one right now with your questions. I apologize, but yeah, property is something that I don't know anything about, and I don't really want to get into property at all. I focus on the things that I know about, and like, you look at any person that's like ultra rich, right? You look at somebody who's ultra fucking rich. They got rich in, or even millionaires and stuff like that, people with quite a lot of money, you know, multi-millionaires, people with like 10, 15 million dollars. They started in one sector and got really, really, really fucking good at it, spent years doing that thing, and then branched off into different aspects once they can automate what they were originally doing a bit better, you know, so they have the time to do other things. Doing multiple things at once just could be detrimental. So yeah, property is something I don't know anything about and probably won't get into for quite some time. Rule of 72, I don't know what that is. If you had to start over with all you know now, what would you do differently with trading? Well, I mean, I'd just do exactly what I'm doing now. I mean, what would I do differently? I made a lot of fucking mistakes, and I paid for a lot of mentorships that, yeah, buy Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I made a lot of fucking mistakes that obviously everyone makes when they first start out trading, you know, listening to a lot of the bullshit that's online and joining the groups and paying for these people that, you know, are flashy and everything, but don't actually know what they're doing. Thank you, Caddyshack, for following me. And yeah, it is it is just a learning process. But yeah, I'd find someone who is extremely algorithmic and knows a lot about macroeconomics and stuff like that, and I'd probably listen to them. But I mean, if I knew what I knew now, I'd just do exactly what I'm doing now. You know what I mean? High timeline. Yep. If I had to do it again, never ever use the 1 minute ever again. Oh yeah, the 1 minute chart is a graveyard for new traders. 100%. It's just a graveyard. The ooh scared me. Are you still fucking in here? You're 22 gifter level and you haven't sent me fucking money? Nah, I'm kidding. I don't need your money. 4 hour and 1 hour, your best friend. Well, yeah, I use a 1 hour high time frame bias with a 5 minute lower entry, lower time frame entry. HMA send a cut. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. I didn't actually fucking mean for people to send me shit. And sorry if you're in here last night, the screaming. Oh, you just missed it. You just missed it, HMA. Thank you very much for that, by the way. Like, what the actual fuck? I didn't realize how many coins that was. Thank you. A lot. But at 100 coins, you deafen me. And probably everyone else that's in here. It's fucked. It's actually fucked. People were spamming. I had it at 10 coins. It's like a sound that goes off when fucking I get more than 100 coins. But it was originally 1, and then I was getting just fucking spammed, fucking roses and all this shit. I should go check YouTube. Oh shit, sorry. Motivation healing. DAX this morning was perfect. Breakout of 15-minute ORB. You trade ORB? The fuck? So do I. How long ago was that? 10 minutes ago? I don't know if they're still in there, but nice, good job. Yeah. Fucking hell. Holy shit. Thank you very much for that. Do you see what I mean now? HMA with the chatting popcorn. I really appreciate that. Thank you. And I now have no fucking eardrum in my right ear. Yeah, so I had that, but on 1 coin, and people just spamming the fuck out of it. And then I was like, okay, I'll change it to 10. Didn't fucking matter. People just spam the shit out of it, and I was like, I just can't. I gotta set it to 100. That fucking hurt. And we just lost like half of our viewers. So, yeah. Thanks. Lost a ton on lower time frames, I believe that. Once I went to 5 minute and above, always green. Yeah, that usually happens. Yep. That's why I use 1 hour for my high time frame and 5 minute for lower time frame and entries. But yeah, I mean H4 and M15 is more reliable, and you'll have more green days, but you get less entries. You just got a hat and a mustache. Thank you very much. Bro's pulling through with the gifts. I really appreciate that. As a small streamer, I don't get many big gifts, so thank you a lot. Like, I do really appreciate that. And thank you for the heart me. Welcome to the team. I think that's how that works. Thank you very, 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 very much. Like, I'm genuinely super appreciative of it. Piton puts 1 to 2 months out. I don't know. I don't trade options. I don't even know what PTON is. Good luck, bud. Thank you very much. Good luck to you too. Do you enter off of fair value gaps or order blocks? So the only reason I know what a fair value gap is because it's been around since the 90s, and all of the ICT SMC bullshit is a crock of shit. I don't enter off of fair value gaps. I use them as a magnet for price when I'm looking at taking exits in my positions. Because they do act as magnets for price, but I don't use them for entries. Had to find out. Yeah, it's fucked, isn't it? Like your vibe and your content. Keep it up, brother. Thank you very much, HMA. Thank you. Thank you. I do really appreciate that a lot. I try and be just genuine and not... I don't know. This is just what I'm like in real life. So, yeah. Keeping it real. The value gaps ain't even effective for entries. Well, I don't see why you would like... This is the problem with people that trade. Like... Look how many fucking fair value gaps we have on a... And go look up wide range bars. They've been around since the fucking 90s. That's what these things are. Look how many there are. You go to a 1 hour, they're fucking everywhere. They act as magnets for price. However, I can't see how you would base a strategy off of... And then you go into the 1 minute where it's not actually even fucking showing any. Why is that? Oh, there we go. A lucky star. Thank you very much, HMA. Bro's pulling through with gifts. Like, fucking how much have you given me already? 447? The fuck? Oh, I didn't even realize. Holy shit. Bro. What the fuck? Dude. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'd like seriously appreciate that. Fucking hell. Dude, that's like half a fucking galaxy. It's like $3. Yeah, but still, like, you're spending, like, but bro, I got fucking 8 viewers. If people, like, give me stuff, like, it's fucking, it's wild. I don't know. But, yeah, really appreciate it. Do you look at higher time frames than the 1 hour just for more context? Sometimes. Like, okay. Fuck! Holy shit! Holy shit! Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking serious? Bro, what the actual fuck? Oh, dude, I got so scared for a second there. Henry C, thank you very much for following me. Aimer Chiku, thank you very much for following me. What the fuck? HMA send a fucking galaxy. Bro. Thank you very much. You made my night. Fucking wild to me. Thank you. Like, seriously. You don't need to... That's enough. You've done enough. That's fucking... Yeah, very appreciative. Thank you. Thank you. I can't say it enough. Have a great night, man. I'm hitting the hay. You too. And enjoy your weekend. And again, I'm very appreciative. Welcome. Hope to see you back. You don't need to ever send anything ever again. Mike Phoenix, Market Pulse. Thank you very much for following me. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you. You enjoy the rest of your night, alright? Anyway, so... Fucking hell. That was wild. You know, if I'm in an entry here, I'll look at maybe 4 hour gaps. I'll look at the overall picture if we're in like a long trend just to kind of prepare myself for potential additional entries. But rarely do I really go through this because it doesn't particularly matter to me, you know. I have a strategy that works and that's okay. So, yeah. No, not all the time, but sometimes, yeah. Sometimes. Oh. Are we going to get in this? Nope. Fucking hell. All right. Again, Henry, Amur, Chiku, and Mike, thank you very much. And again, HMA, thank you very much for all the gifts, bro. Like, fucking really appreciate it. Thank you, Kay, for following me. Bro, my neighbors are probably like, what the actual fuck? Do you include liquidity concepts? I don't even know what the fuck that is. Is that like some new shit? Liquidity concepts. Yeah, no. Oh, smart money concepts. No. Nope. Sorry, Johnny. Okay, thank you again. English is so hard, but I like your life. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That's really nice. How do you decide how much you're going to invest in each trade? So I have a default setting that gets me into at the moment, it's 0.1% per trade. 0.2, I mean, yeah. But that's based on my account balance. What is the equity? I can't remember what I coded into it. I actually can't remember. Oh, fucking hell. Just says account. Fuck, what was it? Was it equity or balance? It was balance. It was definitely balance. Yeah. 0.1%. Yeah, that's just for... It's usually 0.25%, but for the moment, I'll probably change it back to 0.25%. I was just a bit worried with everything that was happening with Trump and the tariffs and all that shit. I didn't want to get caught out. So I dropped it down a little bit so I could just keep making money, just be a little bit more conservative. But obviously, you need a decent account size to be running 0.1%. Otherwise, you'll just default to, you know, minimum lot sizes if you have like fuck all, and then you'll be risking fucking more than that anyway. That seems so low. I thought it would be more. Yeah, but the thing is, right? So it's low. Like I'm risking fuck all, but I am trading at the moment about 20 different pairs simultaneously. Simultaneously. Why does that word sound so weird? Simultaneously. Jesus Christ. Do you ever just say something and it just doesn't sound right? But yeah, I'm running about 20 pairs consistently, simultaneously. So I'm in and out a lot. I'm in a lot of positions. 0.1 isn't like, you know, if I'm in 10 different pairs, that's 1%. Which happens frequently. I'm probably in about fucking 10 different pairs right now in multiple positions. So my overall risk is over 1%. Hi, what are you trading, bro? Forex. Fucking mind blank. What up, Speedy? I saw you in here liking. Thank you very much. Hello. I was going to message you, actually. I was going to message you just before. Just say how you doing. You're messaging me now. There you go. Fuck! Holy shit. Oh, that AU's cooked. Oh, that AU's so bad. Is that the only thing? That's the only thing that's cooking ya. Oh. Oh, yeah. Well, at least it looks like we're kind of double bottoming, and we could form a W pattern if we get some movement back up here. But you're gonna have to hold that over the weekend, and you'll get chopped on fucking swap fees most likely. Bird Chop with a heart me and a go popular. A popular vote. Thank you very much, Bird Chop. I appreciate that. You see this little galaxy here? Realistically, how much should someone have saved to start? Subjective, very subjective on who you are, how much you have. Like you can fucking hell. 1 second. You can start with a couple $100. You can start with a couple of grand. My personal recommendations is to have a couple of grand so you can deal with drawdown if you get into it, but it's really subjective to who you are and how much. That's good profit for this week, Speedy. Fuck me. That is fucking absolutely insane. Obviously the drawdown's a bit fucked, but fuck me. J1FX Trading, thank you very much for following me and allowing me to complete my humiliation ritual. Yeah, fuck, I don't know about this one. We are literally just... This is good for you though. This market structure, the fact that we're happy trading in this, we're slightly up. We're slightly going up. And the fact that we're happy trading here is very good for you, because the chances are, looking back at the last 20 different lows and highs, the chances are we're going to be back up here soon. Stop fucking following me, motherfucker. I'm not doing that again. I'm thinking of abandoning ICT SMC concepts. Thank God, because they don't work. B sent a tiny. Thank you very much. Yeah, I fucking changed it. I changed it to 100 because I just couldn't. Sorry, you did that to probably bleed my ears. I had to. I was getting my ears were bleeding. I had to change it to 100. I was just getting fucking spammed, and it was too fucked. It was actually too fucked. DOM. I don't know what DOM and volume. I don't know what DOM is. But I think you should abandon ICT and SMC concepts because they don't work long term. It's been proved over and over and over again. The majority of ICT and SMC traders don't make money. DOM. Depth of market. Yeah, right. Is this for like stocks or indices? Futures. I don't trade futures. That's probably why I've never heard of it. So what are you talking about? A Galaxy. Yeah, it was pretty fucking... It's pretty nuts. He sent a lot of shit. I got a lot of stuff from him. It was really fucking nice. Really nice of him. Oh, for fuck's sake. Very nice of him. Fucking hell. G'day, mate. How are ya? J1FX Trading. Screen didn't work. Yeah, again, sorry. Do you use funded accounts? I have one, but I don't promote it at all. And I think funded accounts are the majority of the time are a scam unless you're a seriously advanced trader. It's not worth it. For futures, yeah. Yeah, I don't trade futures. Never have. So that's not my expertise. I apologize. I can't help you out with that one. But I think you should get rid of the ICT SMC bullshit. Don't work. Wide range bars or fair value gaps, which was renamed by ICT, are good, right? I would have been using these before I even fucking knew who ICT was. These things have been around since the fucking 90s. So these work similarly to like support and resistance because they act as a magnet for price. It's all support and resistance does for us looking at our charts, acts as a magnet for price. So they're decent. It's just he fucking changed the name to fair value gaps. Because and that's the other thing with ICT and SMC is they just renamed, like it's just all renamed shit to make people sound smarter than they actually are. I'm pretty sure an order block is just a fucking... It's just like a support and resistance level. It's just support and resistance. I don't fucking know. It's all just garbage to me. Sorry, B, that you had to send the tiny Diney and not get the scream. I apologise. Fuck. Just in case you guys forgot. Just in case you guys forgot, you know. What are you doing? We're just sitting here? Fucking hell. What application do you recommend to start trading? Do you mean like platform? So, MT4, MetaTrader 4. What? Wait, I missed it. I was walking my fish. Do it again. No, I don't think my girlfriend would appreciate that. Do you day trade with crypto? No, absolutely not. That's another minefield for traders. Did he just say the G word? Yep. Sorry, here goes my viewers. Goodbye. She left. That's funny. Sorry, not minefield, graveyard. I meant graveyard. Did she? Yeah, that's funny as fuck. Yeah, graveyard. So day trading crypto is so unreliable. So fucking unreliable. And I say this a lot. I feel like I repeat myself the majority of the time I'm in these fucking streams, but how do we base, like, what is it that traders do to base a strategy off, right? It's previous price action. What has happened previously that will happen again in the future, potentially, right? It's all a potential because we don't know. But if you go back 20 fucking years, the same things happen over and over and over again. That's how we base a strategy off. And we need that data to be able to base a strategy off for day trading, intraday trading throughout the day. What fucking data do we have from crypto? What the fuck is this? What is this shit? What is this? What is this? It doesn't, we don't have enough data, and the market doesn't, like who the fuck can explain why this happened? Why do these pumps happen? Because of hype. Like, thank you, Zer1T9. Why do these pumps happen? Thank you very much, Rose. Bro, my neighbours, I don't even know. My neighbours probably can't hear me, but if they're walking past, they'd be able to hear me. They'd be like, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? But how are we meant to know when the hype's going to happen or whatever? The only thing you can really do with crypto that works is buying and holding. That's how to make money on crypto. And you have to get lucky because you have no idea what the fuck's going to happen. You know. Thank you very much, Neighbor544, for following me. I appreciate that. Is Speedy still in here? Sorry, yeah, that... actually, no, we did speak about that, yeah. So I had fucking Discord open. We have to look at the likes. 12k likes from Charles. Amara, 2k, thank you. Fucking, what were we going to call this guy again? I can't remember. 1200, Super Trooper 344, Sienna 262, Birchop 180, Zer 1T9 84, Sammy 55, Lian 43. Thank you guys very much for all the likes, supporting, getting me fucking views and shit. Yes, hype. Yeah, so yeah, that's just how I see crypto, at least. Just my opinion. What time frame do you like to trade on? 1 hour for the high time frame buys and then the 5 minute for entries. What do you think about day trading gold stocks? Gold stocks. Gold stocks. Like just gold? I don't know. I've never traded gold. I've fucked around a little bit on it. Couldn't get anything to work, so I never touched it again. It's not my forte. Kai, sorry. What do you trade? Forex. Hey, bro, beautiful night. Thank you very much. Hello, Del. I haven't seen you in a while. What's been happening? Beautiful night. It is actually a shit night, to be honest. It's rainy and cold, and I don't do cold. Yes, I'm a ranger and Scottish shit, blah, 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 but fucking, I don't do cold. What's the difference, Forex and futures? Fuck, did you ask this last night? I've only ever been asked that once, and that was last night. I feel like it was you. There's a couple of things. I honestly, I'm not the right guy to be answering this question, but to my knowledge, just from being around the industry for so long, no spread, centralized exchange. This is for futures. However, the contracts expire. Yeah, I think they're the main differences, but I'm not too well versed in the differences of futures because I've never traded futures. I don't plan to. The link in your Discord won't work. What's the server called? I'm trying to watch the video. So when you go to, sorry B, when you go to click the link in my bio, hit the 3 dots at the top. It'll take you into like Safari or an external browser or whatever, and then you'll be able to, the link will work. It's just TikTok fucking doesn't allow it to work. Oh, Jesus. What's going on?
Oi, I literally gotta buy this shit now. There's only 3 spots. Is coming for your mum even gonna fucking come?
Nah, probably not. There we go. Hello. I'm back. Sorry, guys. Hello. Oh, shit. Sorry, B, did you get that? Did you try it and did it work? Let me know. Working hard, Melbourne good. True. Good stuff. We love that. Your window view is nice. It's a green screen. No, I'm kidding. Thank you. I appreciate that. I do like it. How long have you been trading? Almost 5 years. You trade Forex? Yep. I do, yeah. Oh, holding music. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Why would you unpin that? But, actually, thank you. MT5, MT4. I only trade MT4. You need an assistant, bro. Keep up the good work. Yeah, I know I do. I know I do. Ah! Fuck, I'm surprised we got 18 people in here for a fucking Friday night. You guys are gonna be liking this fucking shit. Get me some more people in here. Get me some more fucking people in here. Come on, motherfuckers. What do we got? Who's putting in... I'm looking at who's putting in fucking effort. I don't ask for gifts, so you guys have to bless me with fucking likes, you know? What's going on here? Do I get suspended or something? Where the fuck is everyone? Thank you. Finally. It's not that hard to fucking... It actually is. I don't know how some of you guys do that. It's fucking absolute weapons. Can I bless you with $10,000 in PayPal loans? Yeah, sure. What's good, Chart Wizard? How are you? Thank you very much for liking the live. I appreciate it. We got 20 people in here for a Friday. That's pretty good. That's pretty fucking good. We take that. I need to start... Fuck, what was I saying? I need to stop posting. That's what I need to do. Stop posting. Posting fucking videos and shit. Watch list, like of trades, or like what are you talking about? I don't have a watch list. I'm in trades. I'm in UJ. What else am I in? US dollar CAD. New Zealand dollar CAD. I could just look at all of them, but I can't be fucked. Out of that. Pound CAD, which I could get out of. No, I'll leave that at last week's low. Fork it. Pound odd. Which... I've been in for a couple of days now, but we'll leave it. Let it run. Won't be any of those. I think there's one more though, man. I think there's one more. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, which I fucking hate trading, to be honest. But we will probably get in quite shortly. Come back up here into these gaps, maybe last week's high, eventually. Aussie dollar, US dollar is pretty much the same. That's it. So, yes. What assets are you eyeing? Nothing. But literally nothing. I literally only trade Forex, and my expert advisor gets me in. I'm jumping off. I'm gonna go. You guys have a good night. I'll be back on Sunday, most likely. You're rolling it up. Yeah, I know. I trade a lot of pairs. Yeah. But yeah, if you're not following, follow. If you haven't joined the Discord, Discord's linked to my bio. When you click at the link in my bio, hit the external browser, and then it will work getting into the Discord, because it's a bit of a fuck around. So anyway, you guys have a good night. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for all the gifts and everything. I appreciate that. And I'll talk to you guys on Sunday night, maybe. I might be back Sunday. If not, Monday, 5:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I'll be back. Thank you very much. Enjoy your evenings. Meow.